Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jamala, and in today's video I'm just going to go into details about this Megalook frontal wig and how I installed it. All the details will be below. As always, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. All right, so boom, this is how it looked straight out. The frontal, I don't know, like I don't have too much experience with doing frontals or whatever, but I don't think it was supposed to look like this, so I was a little scared. As you can see, it's probably like a couple centimeters where it's just kind of like sparsy, and then you can see where the frontal really begins and just how thick it is. So yeah, your girl had to go in and pluck it a little bit. I tried to do whatever it was that I thought I should do. Like I said, I'm still pretty new at this, but yeah, this is how it looked. The whole construction of the wig though was pretty nice. Here it is after I bleached the knots. Actually, I over bleached them. So that's part one of where I started to struggle and mess up, and I did go in and pluck it a little bit. I didn't want to pluck too much because I don't know if it's just how my hairline is or me just not really knowing how to finesse these frontals, but yeah, I just struggle with the hairline process, so I didn't want to pluck it too much. But yeah, here I am just putting on this bald cap. Again, you'll see later on that I did end up taking this off because yeah, it was just giving like a white cast. I don't know if I'm just too heavy-handed with the Got to Be spray or what, but I ended up taking it off at the end and you'll see that. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish applying this here, and y'all just gonna go ahead and watch this even though I took it off. One thing I really did like about this wig, it came with this like band in the back, and I didn't have to go ahead and sew that in myself because it already came like that. So I did really like that, and I also just like really love the color and how they dyed it. It's not like sparsy like I've seen a lot of other wigs. But yeah, here I am about to start applying it and trying to lay it down, and this is another part where everything just started going left. I was trying my best to have it like lay on top of my hairline, but yeah, my hairline is like the opposite of this. So like the parts that are going back is where my hairline moves forward. So yeah, I was trying my best to lay it on top of my hairline. Again, I said I didn't want to pluck it too much because I was going to go in and do that afterwards. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and start applying this and laying it down, and then I'll come back and explain more of how I messed up. Definitely comment any tips that you have. I'm new at this frontal game, so comment any suggestions that you have for me, what you do, to perfect your hairline and your frontals. I'm here for it all, honestly, because, I'm trying to try different colors and try different styles and things like this. And you can't do that if you don't know how to apply wigs correctly. Now that I have the lace laid down as best as I could do it. I'm just going to go ahead and hide as much as the lace that you can still obviously see, and my over bleached knots with the baby hair that I have pulled out here. I definitely could have used like less hair in some parts just to make them look more natural. But yeah, at this point I was really frustrated just with like how the lace was laying down and with myself. So I just went ahead and cut these, and I didn't end up filming the process of me actually laying those down, but y'all don't need to see that because yeah, I'm not here to teach y'all how to do that because I don't really know what I'm doing. And for styling, I just went ahead and wand curled this hair. I really liked how these wand curls turned out. I ended up just wand curling the entire wig, and then I went ahead and brushed them out to make them a little bit looser and less tight, and you know, just more of like a natural look. So this is how it looked originally with the ball cap on and everything. And just after me doing the wand curls and brushing those out, you're going to see in the clip right after this one that, you know, it may look a little bit different because I did go ahead and take that bald cap off. Girl, I ripped this wig off right after this part, and I just took that bald cap off and I went in and wand curled it a little bit more, so that's why it kind of looks a little bit different. So it kind of took a little bit of the white cast away that was on there, or that I saw on my hairline, and I just thought it made it look a little bit better. Overall, I still wasn't completely satisfied, but yeah, I still think it turned out all right. All right, so it's a lot better now. It's a lot better now. Still not like how I would want it to be. This lace, it's not melting how I would want it to. I'm not gonna get too close because yeah, it just shows me how much more I need to learn, and also like partially how it came, I guess, could have something to do with it too, but I'm not gonna really like blame it on the wig itself because it is beautiful. I love this hair. the dye, like how they dyed it. It's not sparsy like I've seen other wigs. It's just, yeah, it's just not giving what I thought it was going to give. But yeah, it's still cute. I still like how I curled it. I like how, you know, I came out and styled this. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. All the details will be down below. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all think it's cute, because I think it's cute. I just don't know about this part for me. Yeah. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe as always, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beautiful.